Hi friends, how are you? Today's our topic is IGNOU admissions for international students, guidelines, courses, fees, details, examination, assignments, course submission, IGNOU soft study material, practical counseling schedules, etc. for topping today's. Many students questions are there. What is the IGNOU studies? How can we can prepare for the examination, for the assignments? What is the admission process? How can cancel the admission in without go to regional center or IGNOU headquarter? Yes, you cancel your admission without go to regional center or IGNOU headquarter. You can access your login ID password and cancel it smoothly and short time. For more info, we go to IGNOU main website for the international students OP IOP, that is this is IGNOU website ignou.ac.in. You can type Google on Google ignou.ac.in and search it. At the top of the IGNOU homepage, we are finding that the IGNOU homepage, about us, IGNOU employees details, student services. This is student services is required to all students. You are not required to click any other links. Your related link is only IGNOU services. After then, if I want to admission for the current January 2025 session as a foreign students, click to admission and apply for foreign IOP students. This is the small guidelines for the foreign students as overseas students, Shark, non-Shark and FSRI and NRI students for January 2025 admission cycle. For the last date of this admission is 15th February 2025. You can take admission for the click here for new registration. After then you will be login and password with captcha and login and fill up your process form completely as a your documentation, students details, qualification details, your foreign details, identification IDs, and upload your all relevant documents as a photo, signature, 10th 12th mark sheets, graduation undergraduate mark sheets if applicable, visa details, NOC details attached in PDF file format. For more guidelines, as the last date of the submission of the application is 15th February 2025, and the option for the cancellation of the application is available in the applicant login, not a offline application form and not a email. You can want to cancel your admission only access on your student application login, that is the login your details and cancel the request. Any other process is not required for the cancellation though, friends. IGNOU offers online programs to overseas students. IGNOU has offered a total of 16 online programs to the overseas students from the SHARC and non-SHARC countries, students, foreign students in the India. You can take admission in online mode programs in total 16 programs in online, or you can apply ODL programs, more than programs for the January 2025 session. And more details is this link work only for foreign students only. Indian learners students by birth, they will not apply for this link, because this link also connected to International Division IGNOU headquarter New Delhi office. You can transfer your admission if you go to your countries smoothly. For more details, you can visit IGNOU International website link and read and carefully the rules and regulations of the university. Next is the before proceeding the form filling the form online, the application must be heavy following documents are required. That is scanned passport size photographs, latestly scanned signature in blue pen only with less than size is 100 kbs, scan copy of the relevant education documents less than 200 kbs documents. Next is passport, visa, student visa. If the provisional student visa valid for 6 months for the students, exploring admission or taking admission tests. Applicants should be process the process proof of the admission to be full-time regular academic course in the reputed recognition educational institutions in India. Evidence of financial supported. Next is citizenship card or proof of nationality. This is very important documents for the submission of the admission form for the January 2025 session as the required documents as in your voter ID card, electricity bill, water bill, telephonically bill or birth certificate of the countries of the India or other countries. Next is proof of residence in India if applicable. If the students also relevant to Indian government, Indian citizen, that is a proof provide the documents of the Indian nationality. The next is OCI, PIO, UNCHR refugees card, etc. State overseas citizen of India, OCI, PIO is person of Indian origin card. A person of Indian origin means a foreign citizens except a national of Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, Iran, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Nepal who at any time held an Indian passport or who are either their parents, grandparents, grandmother parents were born and permanently residents in India as a defined the Government of India Act 1935 and other territories that become part of Indian territories provided neither was the any time of citizen of the any of the offset countries as referred above or who is a spouse of the citizen of the India or a PIO. OCI is overseas citizen of India are initiated to a multi-purposes, multiple entries, lifelong visa along with them a visit of India if any time for any length of the time and for any other purposes. The next is you can pay your admission fees via debit card, credit card as a link of master, rupees, visa, any other transaction, or you can use your internet banking transactions as a, if suggested the scan documents from the original. Once you have uploaded the documents, click the next button. You will be get the form preview, save and print your form for further references. Your form will be rejected if you have uploaded duplicate copy of the documentation. You have must be required to submit original documentation scanned copy as a you can upload as a PDF format or KB format as your convenience. Friends, if your admission form is rejected due to incorrect documentation, not clear views or photocopies documents, your payment will be refunded on your debited accounted in your card, debit card or credit card after reducing registration or development fees approx in 200 or 500 300 rupees. Your another amount will be refunded in your main account. Friends, next friend, we are filling the form of the new registration as a you can check your brochure of the online programs for Indian students, international students as click on this. This is the international students website separately prepared by the IGNOU. As you can date, you can find the ceo@ignou.ac.in. This is a mail ID for the all international students complaints, assignment related queries, examination related queries, assignment study material related queries, online YouTube videos related queries. You can call on telephonically number 01129572322 on the working hours timing as Monday to Friday 9:30 to 6 p.m. You can also contact approx 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Max probably your call will be attend at the IGNOU offices. Lunch time is 1:30 to 2 p.m. Friends, you can call your regional center as Monday to Friday. Friends, more as many programs are offered to the students as a programs in online programs, GOL programs, distance learnings as a online programs are that All programs are, friends, total 44 records are found. 44 programs are online offered to the international students as a bachelor degree in computer application, master degree in Sanskrit, and master degree in sustainability science, master degree in commerce, संस्कृत, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर आपका, डिप्लोमा इन क्रिएटिव राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा इन डिजिटल मीडिया, पीजी डिप्लोमा इन डेवलपमेंट कम्युनिकेशन, PG diploma in distance education, Master of Arts in distance education. As a first year of the Master of Distance Education is called PGDDE, Post Graduation Diploma in Distance Education. Certificate in French languages, PG Diploma in Rural Developments, Urdu languages diploma, certificates in rural developments, food and nutrition certificates, master degree in rural development. Friends, more diplomas, more programs are offered to the international students as a diploma in Urdu languages, certificate in rural development, PG diploma, MBA you can, PG diploma in environmental and occupational health, MA in journalism and mass communication, bachelor in social works, master of computer application MCA, BCA, bachelor of computer applications, bachelor in commerce BCom, or more than programs are offered to the international student as a MA in translation studies. Friends, post graduation diploma in Gandhi and peace studies. This is the popular diplomas of foreign learners. Diploma in tourism studies as a Indian cultures, certificate in information technology, bachelor in tourism, MA in Gandhi and peace studies. This is the most likely program for the international foreign students. Friends, as a certificates they are library in information science, tourism studies, Russian languages, Arabic languages, etc. programs are available for the online programs. For another is distance learning. These programs are available for the international students. Friends, next is fees structure of the international students to be offered of the program. SAR countries in MA for the Master of Arts in Sustainable Science, 11,000 for SAR countries. Non-SAR countries, $700 per year fees. This for more programs you can see the fees of the programs. Examination fees will be additionally required to the pay. More programs rate. Many programs are offered to the students as a 40 records of the found of the international studies learners. How can you apply? You can click on this. First of all, registration, your specific username, your complete name, your current communication email ID, all relevant information IGNOU provides to these email IDs. Password you can create as the minimum 6 characters. Repeat Indian mobile numbers, re-enter Indian mobile numbers, declaration. I have read the understand all the eligibilities of the program and the all relevant documents all which will be approved and registered it. You can after then you can fill up the complete admission form on the sign in button. After then you can click it. Your form will be open and you can fill up all the relevant education qualification documents, address details of the Indian address, whichever you residence in India. Your study material will be delivered on the provided communication address. After taken admission, approx certificate programs in 2 months and bachelor degree, master degree programs, you will get your study material at your registered Indian communication address within approx 6 months. After then you can prepare the assignments and submit at your study center. As a you can download your assignment at the IGNOU website ignou.ac.in. After then you go to IGNOU services. For the download the study material, click on the downloads button. Next is assignment portals. All IGNOU related assignments questions for the all sessions are available on this page. Indian national students or foreign students assignment question paper are also same for all studies. As you can take an admission in master degree program, click on this. For example, you are taken admission in MADE, click on this. For July 2024 session, this is the MADE, Master of Arts in Distance Education assignments for the student learners taken admission in July 2024 session. All papers of the first year MDE 411, 412, 413, 444 and 518. This is the first year subjects, friends. You can write top of the assignment first page on your enrollment number, your name, which is the program you are enrolled, subject code which is you are prepare the assignments, your contact details, and submit your assignments at the study center or send to Director Stride, Block 16, IGNOU in Maidangadi, New Delhi 110068 through via Indian Post or private courier before the time of the submission. If you are taken the admission in the July 2024 session, your assignment last date is 31st March 2025. For attend the examination June 2025 session TEE. Also you can fill the examination form in March April 2025 for attend TEE theory examination in June 2025 month, friends. Next is you can find your assignments as a 411 MDE growth and philosophy of the distance education. In these questions are answer the following questions in about 800 words, and the following questions are answers about 250 and the 300 words. Next question is answer the following questions about in 800 words. All questions are answered. Prepare the compulsory, friends. If you write the assignments is the coloring and the clear views and clear writings, you will be get good marks of the assignments. At this the 30% weightage of the final grade sheet and 70% weightage of theory papers in your grade card. Total of 100% marking will be provided by the IGNOU in the results. You can check your results after submission of the assignments approx in August month. That is, go to IGNOU website, click on student services, scroll down and click on the result button. Scroll down and your term and examination separately result will be declared on the term and results or complete grade card with assignment and theory papers TEE you will get on the grade card. First of all, you can click on the term and examination result, select the TEE session which is you can attend the term and examination. For example, I will attend the December 2024 session. Type the enrollment number which is your 10-digit enrollment number provided by the IGNOU and search it. Your result will be declared on the website. Next is you can check your results on the grade card as a complete, for example, assignment and theory papers. Friends, click on this grade card, select the program, for example, select your programs in the list. For other students, other programs, click on the program code, type enrollment number, As a student, type your 10-digit enrollment number, this, and search button click. You can see your results as the enrollment number, name, program, code. For example, that your course name is MPC 002 and the result is term and theory papers individually 40 marks, and your assignment marks will be updated soon on the page as a assignment 1 and your status will be declared as a completed, because assignment marks are not updated in the grade card till date, so that result is showing is not completed. Individually we can see that your theory paper is completed but assignment marks is not updated. Wait some time, your assignment marks will be updated and your status will be updated is completed. As in that you can find your results as our old pages, just that is term and examination result. Click on this, select the sessions, which is you can attend the term and examination session. Type your enrollment number 10 digit, click on search. That is your result will be shown as your enrollment number, program name and your course codes. Date of the updation on the website 10th January 2025 or grade card update also. Yes friends, you can check your admissions and submission of the assignment, submission of the term and examination forms, attend the classes, attend the online practical sessions, or you can find your study material on the IGNOU eGyan course portal free of cost without login, and you can check your results as the term and theory result and the grade card. Your grade card is a permanently result of your online soft copy. After your complete grade card updated, you will receive your mark sheet after then 3 months at your communication address through post by the IGNOU headquarter Medangadi. Also you can attend the convocation or the pay of your convocation fees at the rupees of 600 per paper, and your degree will be delivered at your registered home address. So friends, we hope our video are useful for this IGNOU students counseling guidance, fees details, results, etc. Please share our channel videos to another friends for like and subscribe. Thank you all of us. We will meet next video in good information, good knowledge for all the student purposes. Goodbye friends.